Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we begin the revival of a true motorsport icon, the BMW E30 M3 Sport EVO.
Every inch of this interior screams motorsport. From the Recaro bucket seats to the no-nonsense analog dash high-o.
Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we take you on a thrilling journey into the heart of automotive history as we dive into the meticulous restoration of a rare legend. The BMW E30 M3 Sport EVO 3, a car that redefined motorsport in the late 80s and early 90s, and still remains a crown jewel for enthusiasts and collectors today. Let's start with what makes the Sport Evolution, or EVO 3, so incredibly special. Built in 1990 as the ultimate evolution of the E30 M3, only 600 units were ever produced. It came equipped with a high-revving 2.5-litre four-cylinder S14 engine, producing around 238 horsepower, paired with a close-ratio 5-speed manual transmission. What set it apart wasn't just the performance figures, it was how it delivered them. Our restoration begins with the bare shell. Every panel, every weld, every contour is inspected and rebuilt with factory precision. Original parts are sourced or custom machined, including the aggressive widened fenders, adjustable front splitter, and iconic rear wing, all designed to improve aerodynamics on the racetrack. The engine block is completely disassembled, cleaned, and rebuilt with OEM internals, restoring its screaming 7,000 RPM capability. The mechanical symphony of the S14 is something every car lover must experience. Each gear change feels mechanical, raw, and responsive. A far cry from the digital filters of today's cars. Inside the cabin, the restoration keeps things authentic. Recaro seats, M-Sport steering wheel, and weight-saving touches like the absence of a sunroof, thinner glass, and no sound deadening, just like it was in 1990. Every piece of the dash, door cards, and headliner is period correct, down to the last stitching detail. Even the wheel's iconic 16-inch crosspoke alloys are refinished to perfection. Suspension is upgraded, but stays true to the EVO's racing roots with adjustable dampers and stiffer bushings. The car is then painted in the original jet black, gleaming like it just rolled off the showroom floor. This E30 M3 Sport EVO 3 is more than a car. It's a statement. A mechanical masterpiece brought back to life with passion, precision, and purpose. Owning or witnessing one is rare, but restoring one to this level is nothing short of sacred. Thank you for joining us on this incredible transformation. Subscribe, like, and share. AutoNerveX, where legends live again. Thank you very much.